Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard in large quantity. Begin by accurately scaling all your ingredients. For large batches, a kitchen scale is essential to ensure precise measurements, which is crucial for consistency. You'll need to proportionally increase your egg yolks, sugar, and milk. A good starting point is using 12 to 15 egg yolks per liter of milk to achieve a rich, creamy custard. This careful scaling prevents your custard from becoming too thin or too thick. Once your ingredients are scaled, gently heat your milk mixture. Aim for a temperature just below boiling, around 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, temper your egg yolks by slowly whisking in a small amount of the hot milk. This gradual addition prevents the eggs from scrambling. Then, combine the tempered yolks with the remaining milk mixture and cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. After cooking, immediately strain your hot custard through a fine mesh sieve. This step removes any small lumps, ensuring a perfectly smooth texture. To prevent bacterial growth and stop the cooking process, chill the custard rapidly. Place the container in an ice bath, stirring occasionally until it cools down. Once completely cool, transfer the custard to airtight containers and store it in the refrigerator. It will remain fresh and delicious for 3 to 4 days. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, custard can be a bit tricky. If your custard turns out too thin, don't worry. Gently reheat it over low heat, stirring continuously until it reaches your desired thickness. To prevent an undesirable skin from forming on top, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the warm custard before chilling. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description below for a fantastic book recommendation and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.